Today you will learn if it's safe to be in a home on lift day during a foundation repair project. Your home is being lifted and it doesn't seem like it's a good idea to stay inside during the lifting process. So, do you need to leave your home during a lift? If you stay, would it be dangerous? Let's go over those questions in this video. So, the truth is, you are welcome to stay home during the lift and even during the repair process. We actually would like you to be home on the first day and the last day of repairs so you can go over the project with our project manager. It's not dangerous to stay home on lift day. In most situations, the worst case scenario is that there's a little bit of drywall powder falling from cracks or loud creaks and cracks coming from the organic materials that make up the home. The only thing we ask though is that you don't stick your finger into any of the cracks during the lift. We don't want any fingers to get pinched, and in many cases, cracks will close up or compress during the lift process. So now that you know you can stay home, please go to our Learning Center to learn more about the repair process. Within the Learning Center, you will find videos and articles about how we complete repairs and what your home might look like during the repair process. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to never settle for unanswered questions.